Template 1 is ready. Template 2 we are going to work on. Template 2.html file to create. Template 2.html. Should be under the internal CSS folder only. We can take the copy of template 1 file. Complete A to Z, you can take copy. Complete copy of template 1 we can take and paste under the template 2. Okay, ready? So template 1 and template 2 both are ready. Next, after that, under the template 2, some changes we'll be doing. In template 2, it's saying about my profile. So in my profile, what should happen? Here should be written for my profile, and there should be the complete details of a person in the bottom section. Let's remove these photos, and it will be here about my profile. About my profile. About my profile. About my profile. Okay. Next, after that, below we have written in about us section, the H1 paragraph we have written. We can delete that. We will create a table here and we will use some kind of photos and other things. So delete all the content of your section tag, section tag. Okay, next after this, so my profile will look like this, my profile. Here only you are going to create a table. Inside the table, you will keep a tr, and this tr will have one td, two td. One td, it will hold one photo. Img src equal to my pic. Img src equal to, this should be the class, or maybe id equal to my pic. Then you can write here src equal to 1.jpg, and then under the td, second td, we will be writing some contents. For this tr, we can write v align top, v align equal to top, vertical align top. So everything will print from the up to down, top to down. It will not print in the bottom. Okay, ready? Next, after that, go to this particular TD. Under the TD, you write a H2 tag. Write there your name. I'll write Mr. Ganesh. Ganesh. Below to that, I will write a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, we'll write about Ganesh. Like the profile, profile details, profile description of the person. So let's complete this 3D. We will go to the CSS block. We will add some CSS and we can use. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Photo will come, big photo. We have to write the CSS for that. Then it will be well aligned. We are given already ID. ID is called my pick. Let's come up. Keep table ready. Okay, book ready. So let's come up. Write the CSS for my pick. My pick is here. What we can do for that? We can write has my pick. Correct. Inside we can add width. Width of the photo 120 pixel. Height of the photo 120 pixel. And border radius. Border hyphen radius 50%. It will become in a circle. Border radius 50% if you write, it will become a circle. Okay. So hope you have added. Check now. It's coming like this circle. Now for a table we have to give some width, some height, then it will look better. Look at here. The table you have written where it is. It is inside the about. For this table you write ID equal to something as a profile. ID equal to profile. And for profile we can write some CSS. It will look better. ID becomes a profile. For profile we can write some CSS. It will be very good. Okay, clear. Next come write the CSS for this profile. We can write here hash profile. So what is the profile? Profile is a ID. For the ID we are going to write some CSS. Profile is ID. For that we are writing some CSS. What should be that? Width of table. We can keep somewhere 400 width. You can keep margin auto. So it will come in the center. There you can write some kind of Okay, margin auto. Padding also you apply. Inside there will be some gap. Padding somewhere 15 pixel. Then for TR, not for TR, TH and TD. You have to write some padding to apply the spaces. For TH and TD directly, we can write some padding here as a 15px padding. For TH and TD, we wrote the padding. It will apply the padding.
ये दो वाला मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, कैसे दो वाला कैसे जा रहा है?
Ready? Sit now. So this page look like this. Oh, it's become very small. It's become compressed. We can increase the width a little, 60% or maybe 60%. Let me try. Or 600 you can do. 600 you can leave. Okay, so it is here. This much is okay. 600. Now below we need to write about Ganesh we written. Photo will come here. Phone number, email ID, all we need to add below. So let's go there. So hope you have written the profile TH and TD. The fourth section is ready. For profile we wrote. For profile pic, my pic also we wrote the CSS. For hash profile we wrote the CSS. For TH and TD, padding we applied as a 15px. Next after this, we can go for the table. One TR is over. You can add the next TR. In that you can give the TH as a something gender. You can add a TD. You can add some gender. Similar way we can add some more TR. You can add there TH as a age. We can add the next TD. 5 years suppose. Add one more TR. Write the TH. Gender is mobile. TD plus 91. Check now how that look. User photo is on the left side, details is on the right side. Other information will also be there. below age, gender, and mobile. You can add city, pin code, and if anything else, we can add below. No problem. Clear? It should look like this. Add one more education and city. Add one more TR for education and add one more TR for city. Okay, so hope look like this. Next template. So home is working first template. Second template profile is also ready. Your page is working. Yes, Aswini. Yes, Aswi. Yes, Aswi. Shall I share the file? Or it's working for you? Working. Okay, cool then. Let's go. Then this template 2 is ready. We can go for the next file. That is called template 3. Template 3 also will be something similar. Something similar. And what you can do is the table width we have given how much? 60% or 600? 600. Make little more bigger, 700. So that same ID we can use everywhere. Same ID we can use in other page also. Okay, so little wide it will be, but it will be used in some other page also. Give the width as a 700. Okay, now create next file, template3.html. 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 You can take the copy of template 2. Copy of template 2. See when the page will design, once one page design is confirmed. Okay. Once one page design is confirmed, the same design you can keep using many pages. So under the template 3, you no need to display the first ER. You can cut the first ER, second TR, third TR, all is not required. You can keep only one TR first. And in that we will add the multiple TH. So keep complete your table empty. Table you can make empty. Okay. And template 3 is for the education. So we can write about my education. About my education, we can write in the heading. H1 about my education. Okay, ready? Now check how that looks. Education part is like this, about my education, about my profile. Education page is also running. So let's come to education page. Table we have, write a TR inside. Keep the TH inside. Serial number. Education. Passing year. Marks percentage. Marks percentage. So this becomes the first year. Okay, hope ready. Check now in education. 3 heading appear. Below that, now you are going to write your list of your education, what you have studied. The first, you can add the TD. Usually everyone will go through the 10th, 12th education, 10th passing year, something. Next, after that, marks percentage, something. Add one more TR. You can add some, whichever your education you have. You fill all. 4, 5 TR will come. It will look better. Well, you can check how table looks even. Hope you added some data. Next, after that, We can come to the next file. In this BG color and all, you can change if required. Align also we can add here. Align at the center. Align at the center. Ready? Now BG color we can add here. BG color, BG color, some color. It will look highlighted color. Ready? Sit now. Just look better now. We can go for the next file that is called project. So project is pointing to which template? Template number 4. We will create the next file, template4.html. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Template4.html file. We can take the copy of 3 again. Template 4 also look will be same. Some content will get changed. Template 4 will take the copy of 3. And we can change inside. Project it is, right? So about my project. About my project. About my project. Change the heading. Okay, cool then. Now what we need to add? Serial number remains same. About project when we come, the content will change like serial number, project title, company name, 3 things. Project title, what was? TITLE, company name. company name. Now right here, multiple TR. The first TR about TD 01 project title leads management company name matrix. Okay, so both ready. Added one project leads management something. Add the next project. One more TR. TD 02 TD commerce application company name UI master. Okay, ready. Check now. Like this, you can add one more project. Page will look filled. Real estate application. First inquiry digital media. Ready? Look like this. So education profile. These all pages are ready. Next, we need to work for my experience. Okay, so next file is called template. Which template? Template 5. Template 5 is for experience, right? It's for experience, and that will design a different layout. Will not use table. Template 5. You can take the copy of 4 and delete this table. And take the copy of 4 and delete the table section. Okay, experience page is ready. Template 5. In that, you can change here about my work experience. Work EXPE. Work experience. Okay. Next, after this, you will be designing here some different kind of boxes. Under this section block, write a division with a class equal to exp. Class is a exp. Inside that, h2 company name unit display. Then you need to display here called total duration. Then you need to display here called role. So like this division will be copy paste many times. Okay, how it is coming? Sequence. Is coming in the middle. Same thing, mine also same. This is not. No, it is in center. We have written text align center. Now let us come to the CSS part. We have to write the CSS for this one. Which one? EXP. For ext, we have to write the CSS. So let us come to the CSS part. Hope this section is ready. Okay, full. For CSS, we can write some CSS. In one line, we will display two blocks. Dot experience, two block or three block. File, let it be no problem. Now you can write here margin as 2% from all the side. Padding also 2%. So 2 to 4 for 8%. You have to write the width as 42%. Float as a left. And box shadow, there is a property. Or maybe you can write border. That also border you can write. Box shadow. Box icon. Box shadow will bring a kind of shadow, like in the border. 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 5 pixel, green color. 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 5 pixel, green color. Okay, ready? Check now. So the number, how that reflect, I will guide you. Any changes? Oh, I have not saved the file. This comes here in the left side. Box shadow is like it is not a border. It's look like it's a border, but it's not a border. It's a shadow. Look there, the number you have written 0, 0, 0. Change that number. Change and save your file and run. You will get idea. Change the number. 1, 0 put it 10, save the file. Again change the number, see save the file. Change the number and see where the shadow is going. I will guide again. What is happening in that shadow? See, now equal side, there is a equal shadow, all the side. If I go here and middle number, if I change as a 10, middle number, if I change as a 10, what will happen? From top, shadow will go down. You will see. From top, shadow will come down. Shadow came down. Next, If the first number, if I increase to 10, then from left it will go towards right. From left it will go towards right. You can see here. It's gone here. Something like this. This is also looking very better. Okay.
This last three, 30.
The density of the shadow. Density of the shadow. Last 5px for the density. Last 5px is for the density of the shadow. Check now. See, one is coming. We can write one hover effect also for this. When the mouse will go, it should get changed. The green will convert into blue. Look at here. You can go here, write .exp, colon hover. Just change only box shadow. Change only box shadow. Box shadow to maybe red color. When the mouse will go there, the box shadow will convert into a red color. Open it in, check now. Move the mouse. Click on this. Converting into red. Cursor also should convert into pointer. Cursor is just like this, it should convert into pointer. So you can write here cursor colon pointer. So as the cursor will go there, cursor will convert into pointer symbol. Cursor will convert into pointer symbol. Okay. So when the mouse will move, cursor is converting pointer. Look like ready to click. Now this division we can copy and paste 3 more times and change the company name and everything. Come down. So hope CSS you have written experience and experience colon hover. Come down. Now this division you have created. EXP to EXP you can copy. Just after this. Cybertrix technology convert into something. Infosys. 2 years. Full stack developer. Okay, copy again, just below, veto, courier experience, backend developer, first, inquiry, digital media, courier experience, web developer, add something. Okay, something like this. Now which page is pending? My contact. Hope looking similar. Yes, no. Okay, cool then. Create the next file called template6.html. We can take the copy of any file. Which file will take copy? Experience is okay. The file is here. Education. We can take the copy of this file. Which file? Template2. Take the copy of template2. Take the copy of template2. Now after that, what should be there? This is my contact. So change the heading first. You can contact me. You can contact me. Below, delete the first year. And you can write here your name, your email ID, your phone number, your address, like that. Add that. You can add quickly. Add your name, first line, next line your email ID, third line your mobile number, fourth line your contact number. Okay, hope we added. So we added here call name. You can add the name. Age is okay, mobile is 888. Email ID. Contact, not contact, hr.info campus @gmail.com. Save this. Then we can run the page. You can contact me. So now how many templates are ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 templates are ready. Okay. Next, after that, we have to work on next method, external CSS. See, problem of this file I'll show you. Hope we added the contact data. Please add that. Now suppose all the pages, what is the background color? Sorry, navigation color. Black. In case if requirement will come saying like black is not looking good, change into maybe some different color, red color. So what we will do is you will go to your template one file and go in the beginning, and for UL you have written black, you will change to red. It will change in red color, but in which file? Template 6. Template 6. Look at here. Under the template 6 convert into red color, but when I go to experience, there will be still black. Yes. Because for experience page the CSS is different, and for the contact page CSS is different. You have to change in all the files. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the 6 files we have to open and we have to change. Then only it will change. Else it will not reflect all. Okay. So that problem we are going to fix using which method? The next method, that is called external CSS. Okay, external CSS. So external CSS we can see in the next class once all are coming. We need to work on next like external CSS with the forms. Forms we have not seen as yet now anything form related. Form related, we need to see some design. Okay, form related, we need to apply some CSS. How to apply for the forms plus icons. Icon. Which icon? Like suppose you can see here, this desktop icon, you can see CMD icon. These icons are coming, no?
Yes, sir.
If I go to the Notepad++, you can see these icons.
Yes, sir.
This kind of icon, how to apply here? Suppose this is the home, there should be home symbol, profile symbol, education book symbol, project suitcase symbol, experience tie symbol, contact as a headset symbol. Correct? Those all symbols should come here. For that, we have to implement because that is also example of external CSS. Which one? The icon implementation. That is also example of external CSS. Okay, so in external CSS, we will be implementing the icons plus other things. Photo I have not sent yesterday. Yeah, because hold on. Now only I will forward the photos. It is there in the which batch it is. In my WhatsApp, no, a few days before I changed that, the number I was doing here there, whatever the photo I have sent in the WhatsApp to the people, that all photos are deleted. It's not able to download from there. It is saying it is not available in your account. That becomes a problem for me. See, again it is saying not available in your account. Okay, so what we will do is, anyone today evening, just you can ping me in the group. I will be connecting the phone with the WhatsApp evening time to upload something else. That time I'll send you. Okay, some photo I will send basic photo. There you will have only the basic structure, how to make basic. One photo I'll show you. Hold on. Template 5. This is the template 5. Okay. Template 5. Only by I will send 1 to 6. 1 to 6 is sent. One photo I will show you now only. You take the photo of that, a screenshot of that. Try making like that. Even basic assignment. Can you take one photo of this screen? Photo in the phone. You take photo. Take a photo of that. Okay. Then we'll see you on Monday again. I hope Monday also join. Hope you taken the screenshot of this. After then, we'll log out now.